Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The truth must be told at all times. As we are today, Nigeria is in dire need of help. As we are today, Nigeria needs prayer. As we are today, our mothers and sisters, we must put your knees on ground and pray to God to salvage this country. The country is what we may call, what the doctors will call we're on oxygen. Nobody knows what will happen. Each day you wake up, you hear people are being killed. In the night, if you are the one who follows the television, watch the television and read newspapers, you hear that social people have been killed in social state, or social people have been kidnapped in social state. That is not what I thought all of us needed. So those of you who believe that PDP did not do well, and so you had to vote out PDP in 2015, you must be regretting now why you voted for this party to come into power. Since APC came into power, you can now see what Nigeria has turned to. It is either debt or it is the exchange rate has now gone to 510 naira to $1. But when they took over, it was 150 naira to $1. So they said they will give employment. Do we have employment today? Do your children have employment today? You can't go to the farm. Those who do cattle, they will not allow your crops to grow. And let me say clearly, now that the assembly has come back, we have to submit the bill on anti-open grazing as we agreed in the Southern Governors Forum. So that everybody must understand it. It's clear, without any hesitation, we must do it to protect our farms, to protect our women, to protect our youths, so that nobody will go and kill them. So that's where we are. Some people said, why did I say the federal government have not done anything for River State? I said, if I said so, show me what they have done. Seeing is what? Believing. Now we have come to Mayolu Street. Are we not commissioning the road? Now we have gone to Isaiah Street. Are we not commissioning the road? If they say they have done something in River State, show me what you have done. If it is my community, my program, say what you did. If it's a room I say what you did. If it's a room Igbo, say what you did. If it's a room Ola, say what you did. If it's a room Okuta, say what you did. If it's a room Orosi, tell us what you did. If it's in Eneka, tell us. If it's in Oboku, tell us. These are communities that make up Apara. Obrai! So it is not to say we have 23 local governments here. It's not hidden. So you cannot just say we have done something. The only thing they are arguing now, oh, we are doing Boni Bodo Road. No, that is not correct. That is not correct. With due respect, that is not correct. That road was supposed to be done with LNG and federal government. LNG bought at 60 billion naira. Federal government did not bring any cover. Now they are trying to use the tax that LNG is supposed to pay. And now to say, okay, do not pay this tax, use it in doing the road. Part of the tax would have been shared in federation account. And part of the money would have come to River State. So federal government cannot say that we are doing Boni Bodo Road. It is not correct. They cannot say so. So anybody who tells you it's federal government, say, foul. It is not correct. All of us jointly are the ones doing Boni Bodo Road. So nobody should deceive us as if we don't know what is happening. Is there anyone in Akokotoro they have done? Is there anyone in Asatoro they have done? Is there anyone in Tegema they have done? Even Abu Adu, have they done anyone? Is it Ahuda East? Is it Ahuda West? Is it Obebo Mandoni local government? The one of the rivers west, that's not one. If you take rivers east, is it Ogubolo? Is there where John Sakimo you are from there? Is there any contract? Is it Okrika? Abia you are there? Abia you not from Okrika? Have they done anyone there? I'm from Odeabo, I have not seen one. Emeka Woke from Emo, have they done one? Who is from Eche here? Oga Maya from Eche, have they done anyone? Who from Omuma here? They've not done anyone. Equal local government, even though we have ministers, we have not seen one. So tell me, you go to River Southeast, Gokada, have they done anyone? Leave me about, I'm saying here, you're from Canada. Is there anyone there? Senator Mbarapigi, you're from Thai. Is there anyone there? Where's the Gokada? I'm seeing KK. Have they done anyone? Marcus and Lady, you're from Elema. Have you seen anyone? Felix Wike from Oyibo. Have they seen anyone? Amaraba for Popo. Have they done anyone in Popo? Who is from Anthony local government here? Have they done anyone? Former chairman of APC. So, there's not one in the 22 local government. So, let nobody deceive us that they have done anything. If you know they have done, tell us what they have done. They said they will do standard gauge. They said they will do. They will do what? Do. But standard gauge has been there even before some of you were born. So what are they doing? They said they will do Bonisi. Which year? We are going to election. Now they come and tell us that, look, if you vote for us, we'll make sure that the deep sea in body. What kind of story is that? Only when election comes to come and promise you. Enough is enough. If you can't do it now, bye-bye. Don't come and tell us again. It's very important for people to clear. It's not to tell stories. I said I will do something, and I have done it. Is it not true? All the promises I made, I said I have fulfilled them. And I can go home and be proud that an Apara son who became governor had done something for this state. And anybody from Apara should go and be proud of yourself that anybody can challenge us. When we had a time, we changed the narrative in River State. And that is the truth of the matter. So, we can go home and sleep well. Every day, we are commissioning or we are laying foundation for one or the other. Let them come and do the same thing. Let their party go to their state and do the same thing. See what PDP is doing. And that shows that the only hope this country has, as far as 2020 is concerned, is the People's Democratic Party.